Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is about like a week and a half away, so happy almost Valentine's Day. Whatever you guys are doing, I hope that you have an awesome time. I thought that today would be a perfect time to do a Valentine's Day look since one, I'm going to be doing a dark Valentine's Day look like I did today, and then number two, I'm going to be doing a brighter and happier Valentine's Day look for those who don't want to be going so intense. So for today, I have created this dark pink and dark red with like a gold accented Valentine's Day look, and this is for specifically for those who are into the anti-Valentine's Day movement, I guess you could say. That's like a thing now, like anti-Valentine's Day. Everybody like wears really dark colors and wears black and is like, I hate Valentine's Day. So this is what I've created for anti-Valentine's Day. The next look I will be creating is a more of a Valentine's Day look. So if you guys are into the dark looks and you like dark eyeshadow like I always do because that's my thing, then you guys will love this and this is perfect for you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Foundation Primer and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. This is just going to give me a very smooth base to work on. Next, I'm going to be taking a piece of tape and lining it along with my waterline. Then I'm going to be taking my Sephora Pro Editorial Palette, and with this bright pink color over here, I'm going to apply it into my crease. Up next, I'm going to be taking my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer in the color Honey. And with that, I'm going to be cutting my crease. Next, from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be picking up the color Venetian Red and Love Letter and mixing them together. And with a flat-ended brush, I'm going to be patting that onto my lid. Make sure to leave a little bit of room at the top for the glitter liner. To add a little bit more depth and contrast, I'm going to be picking up the black color from the Sephora Pro Palette and adding that on right above the eyelash. And then I'm going to be going in with the same two colors from the Anastasia palette and covering it up a little bit and blending it out. As you can tell, there's a lot of fallout on my face right now, but I'm going to be cleaning that up with concealer later on. Next, I'm going to be picking up my NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Gold. Now I'm going to be taking the tape off. Any of the leftover concealer that's left from the tape you can always take away with a beauty blender. Now this next step is completely optional. Looking back, I might have kept it the way it is right now just because I really like this clean look. But if you want, I'm going to be taking the same NYX gold liner and I'm going to be lining the bottom part of the wing. Now moving on to mascara, I'm picking up my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. To highlight my eyebrows, I'm going to be picking up the lightest color on the Sephora Pro Palette and applying it right underneath my eyebrow. Just to make sure my pink is all blended out, I'm picking up a fluffy brush and just lightly blending over the pink. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face, and as you guys can tell, there's a lot of fallout from the palette and the dark colors that I was using on my face. So what I'm going to do is just pick up my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like I used before, and I'm just going to conceal. And now to bake my concealer, I'm picking up my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just gonna bake my face. So I already actually bronzed my face before I started, but I decided later on that I kind of want a darker contour, so now I'm going to be picking up my Anastasia medium to tan contour kit and picking up the darker color right here with an angled brush, and I'm just going to contour my face. For blush today, I'm going to be going with a pretty pinkish color. I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette, and I'm picking up this pink color right over here. I'm picking up this pink color right over here, and I think I'm going to mix it actually. I'm going to mix it with this one over here. And I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. And then to highlight, I'm taking my Tarteist Pro Glow in the color Sparkler. And I'm going to apply that on first, and then I'm going to go over with a powder highlighter just to make it a little bit brighter. And of course, we all knew I was going to forget something. I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm going to go back and contour my nose. Now I'm going to go back in with my highlighter and highlight my nose. Now before I go into my lips, I want to finish off my eyeshadow. As you guys can tell, I haven't done the lower lash line like I always do. So, using the same two colors from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette that I used on the lid over here, I'm going to be taking those two colors, blending them together, and just lining my bottom lash line. Actually, you know what? I'm only going to be taking the color Love Letter, which was that pink color that we used. So I'm not going to be using the red color down here. I'm just going to be picking up the pink color, and I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line. And now to line my waterline, you guys know I always use my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the color Blacquer. And to finish off, I'm using my same Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. And then for the lips today, even though this is a anti-Valentine's Day, very dark look, I decided I'm going to take it down a notch, and I'm going to be using a pretty nude lipstick. I'm using my Buxom liquid lipstick in the color Wildly Whipped. Or is it Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick? Then where's the name? Oh, okay. So this is Buxom Wildly Whipped Lightweight Lipstick in the color Instigator. So this is the final look. This is more of like a very dramatic and dark and intense Valentine's Day look. It's not really what you think of when you think about cutesy and lovey Valentine's Day, but if you're like me and you like rocking like a dark look no matter what time of year, then this look is perfect for you. If you're all about that anti-Valentine's Day, hate Valentine's Day kind of thing with all the dark black colors or the dark reds and everything, then this is also perfect for you. For those of you who do want like a brighter and like lighter and happier Valentine's Day look, I will be coming up with that with my next video. Don't worry, it will be before Valentine's Day. but I thought I would start it off with a very dark look, so that's what I've done. I don't know necessarily if that look is going to be a daytime look or if it's going to be more of a nighttime look, but I do know that it's going to be brighter, it's going to be pinker, it's going to be happier than this intense dark look. So stay tuned for that. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!